Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add birthday border in MS Word. If you want a quick border without downloading external images, you can use Word's built-in art border, which includes many things like balloons. So for this you need to go to the Design tab on the top ribbon. Click on that, and on the right side you will see that page border. You need to click on that. So in the borders and shading dialog box, click on the page border and select the box. So now look for the art drop down menu near the bottom. Scroll down through the list and you will find some festive options. And here you can see that this is the balloon. Just select it. So in the custom width you can increase or decrease the width as per your choice. So in the apply section, if you want to apply the whole document, you can select it, or if you want to apply at some specific section, you need to click on this specific section. And if you want to apply on the first page, then you need to select this one option. And if you want to exclude the first page, then you need to select this option. So I'll be selecting this whole document and click OK to proceed. And here you can see that a beautiful birthday balloon borders have been added in the Microsoft Word. This is pretty simple and easy. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.